So this is a 2-in-1. This is the one that is a s'mores kit. So we're gonna use it as fondue thingamabob tonight. But if you wanted to do s'mores, this is a s'moresable kit too. Comes with 4 little things which go around it. So the 2 pieces snap together. There are feet, so it doesn't sit flush on the countertop, which means you could take the wire, slide the wire through, put this right on top, and look at how nice and neatly it just sits there like that. Then, after you wash it, this is where you're gonna melt your chocolate. These are called dishes, and they go around here. So everybody could kind of either have their own flavors, or you could have separate flavors. I really like this Chocosmore thing because it's like a complete thing. Like, this is a whole presentation for an evening. Now, I'm not sure how much space there is here for the chocolate and how well that's gonna do, but we're gonna have to test it out to find out. This one in the middle is actually kind of melting, I feel like at the most best, like reasonable pace, is the Chocosmore. Chocosmore is absolutely a rock star. Comes with these cool little plates, the tray. This works perfectly. Comes with stabbers, AKA little forky things. So yeah, so that's where we're at.
Okay, let me try strawberry. That is good. It's hot down at the bottom. What do you think? Be careful you don't burn your tongue, because if you go right to the bottom, it's really hot. And then when it gets to your tongue, it's hot. Want to try it? Because I almost burnt my tongue. Hot.
Okay.
It's
Look
hot,
how
but
nicely though.
it does.
Like that looks like
Hold
artwork.
on, hold on. Let me see. I'm going to come over here and see if I can also. Look at how nice that is.
It's just because you have pretty nails. Tastes like a rich milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I still prefer.
Very perfect to this though. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.